What's orange, has fur covering his body, and lives in the forest? Any ideas? Anybody?
Squirrels.
Any more?
Orangutan?
If you said orangutan, you would be correct. They live in Indonesia and are a closer relative sharing 96.4% of our DNA. Why am I telling you all this information, you might ask? It's because I want to share a little bit about these amazing animals with you. Did you know that Sumatran orangutans are critically endangered? There are roughly 7,300, which seems like a lot, but with help from us and with a little awareness, we can work to extend the population of orangutans. Certain measures can be taken to extend the length of the population, including stopping poaching, stopping deforestation, and funding these animals. Due to poaching, for each female killed puts the whole population at risk. Many poachers sell the young on the black market as pets and even kill the mothers. If we allow 1% more of the females to live, then we can expect more babies to be born every 9 years, increasing the longevity of the population. Many forest fires have taken down the trees that orangutans call home. They are arboreal animals and need these trees to survive. In North Sumatra, forests are being cut down to make plantations and buildings. These trees are used for palm oil and various products. 300 football fields are cleared each hour for oil production. Many apes have died in the fires, decreasing the population every time it happens. Some people may say, why care? These are just animals. I say we have to care. We need to think about how it is affecting these animals and what it will do to our future generations. There are organizations designed to save the orangutans, two of these being SOS and WWF, better known as World Wildlife Foundation, is partnering up to help preserve forestry outside of the Bukit National Park in Indonesia. These organizations raise funds to help buy back a portion of the forest to preserve for the orangutans. WWF has even partnered with Norway to raise funds to stop the cutting of the forest in Indonesia. One advantage of helping the orangutans are that they live in tropical rainforests eating on fruit and fig trees. Not only are they important to our ecosystem, they aid in preserving the different plant populations. They distribute seeds and migrate a mile a day to feed, spreading the plants and helping to put vital nutrients back into the soil. Orangutans eat many pounds of fruit a day and grow up to 200 pounds full grown. They are as big as a human, measuring up to 4 feet tall, and can use sticks and rocks to hunt with. They are even clever enough to use them in obtaining honey from beehives and to help feed their young. Females take care of their babies until they are 8 years in age. That's why they only have 3 in their lifetime. In conclusion, the orangutan species can be preserved by raising awareness, keeping forests healthy, raising funds for them, and sharing facts about them with others. If we raise awareness of the endangerment of the Sumatran orangutan, then we can help preserve the species 1% at a time. We can help by making donations, sponsoring an orangutan, or buying t-shirts to help raise money for the organizations. You can also avoid using products with palm oil. If we all work together, we can help to keep the ecosystem stable and orangutan species alive, not only for right now, but for future generations to come. Do you guys have any questions?
One question. So, I mean, you mentioned a bunch of times how the deforestation part of it is because the poachers want palm oil for products and things. So, if we want to avoid like getting these products, I mean, what products actually have palm oil in it? So.
Yeah, that's a good question. There are a lot of products with palm oil, and it can be found in foods like popcorn. It can be found in toothpaste, cleaning detergents. It can be found in all kinds of products. So just be careful when choosing the products.
Okay.
Any more questions?
Like, what all can we do to help with the whole situation?
You can adopt an orangutan if you choose. You can donate, you can shop online, and the money will go to funding the orangutans. And you can also reach out and you can go online and read more information about it.
Okay.
Any more questions?
What other organizations can I look into besides the World Wildlife Fund?
There's one called the Orangutan Outreach, and they actually have a website called the redorangutan.org. And you can go on there and find more information about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll look into it.
Okay.
Thanks for the questions. Thanks for coming.